In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wix website files, a helpful process for anyone looking to have offline access to their site, or simply wanting to keep a backup. Although Wix doesn't offer a direct download feature, there is a straightforward workaround to save your site's information. Let's go through the steps to ensure you get it right. To start, make sure you are at the home page of your Wix site. This is the page where you can view all your content in one place and easily access the different settings and pages for your site. Once you have navigated to your home page, which should be the root of your website, take a moment to make sure everything you need to save is listed there. This can help ensure that you're capturing all necessary data as you go through this process. Next, you'll need to right-click on any page within your website. This might seem simple, but this key step opens up a menu of options, which allow you to interact with your site in different ways. The menu that appears will vary slightly depending on which browser you're using. Typically, you should see several options listed here, but the one we're interested in is the Save As option. Once you've opened the context menu, go ahead and select Save As. This will open a dialog box allowing you to choose how and where to save the file on your device. It's important to take note of the file type. Make sure that Web Page Complete is selected. This option will save both the HTML content and all related files like images and style information. A complete web page save is crucial for maintaining the integrity and design of your site when you view it offline. Now, a new window will pop up requesting you to choose a destination folder on your computer. Take a moment to decide where you want these files to be stored. Picking a directory can help keep things organized and make it easy for you to find and reference your site files in the future. Whether you decide to create a new folder on your desktop, store it along with other website projects, or even save it to an external drive, organizing your data now will save you the hassle later. In summary, these steps help ensure that you have a backup of your Wix website files, giving you peace of mind or the flexibility to work offline whenever necessary. Though Wix doesn't directly offer a download feature, these steps can be your go-to method for obtaining an offline copy of your site. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions about the process or run into any issues, feel free to reach out for more guidance. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more informative videos.